I'm going to go to data. Okay, I'm going to go to data. I go to data validation. Okay, I go to, okay, can you see this box tak? Okay, kotak ni boleh tengok ke? So maybe you can type number 5, you can see this kotak ni. Okay, so when I press data validation, so this box will come out. So what I do is I go to list source. Okay, source means I just type all these clubs. Okay, I highlight this and then I press OK. So now when just say I press ni, okay, so so when I press just say maybe Arsenal, okay, ataupun Liverpool ataupun Man City, so this is what appears. Okay, tapi dia tak keluar dalam bentuk graph, lagipun tak ada pun dalam bentuk kotak kan. So what I do is, okay, I press here equal and I'm going to use Liverpool. Okay, so contoh lah, if just say now I want to put maybe Arsenal, so kat sini pun Arsenal juga. Okay, so now I'm going to use data kat sini, index match. Okay, yang ni is like a magic. Okay, so let me start with index. So index match is a formula. Okay, I start with index. So kat sini ni dia menyatakan array. Array menunjuk kepada table dia lah. Okay, so that means what I do, I highlight this table. Okay, I highlight this table, I press F4. Okay, seterusnya I go to match. Okay, what I do is, okay, before I type match, if you notice, dia tanya pasal row number. Am I right? Dia tanya pasal row number. So row means merujuk kepada row 1, 2, 3, 4 sampai 7. That is row. Dari atas ke bawah, that is row. Okay, so what I do is I type match. Okay, lookup value. Okay, lookup value merujukkan kepada figure ni lah. Okay, so I just press F4. Now lookup array. Okay, when the word is array means, it means the table. So I highlightkan the table. Okay, this thing, I press F4 and then I press 0. Okay, 0 means I want exact match. Sekali lagi, this one is for column. Okay, column means dari kiri ke kanan. Okay, that means football club, quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3. So I do the match again. Okay, lookup value merujuk kepada quarter 1 lah. Okay, and then your lookup array. Lookup array, I just highlight this. Okay, I press F4, I press 0, tutup bracket, there you go. So now we have Arsenal, 3, 2, 3, 4, sini pun 3, 2, 3, 4. So when I press Ctrl R, so it's automated. Okay, so of course you may ask me, oh Alan, mana if I want to create a graph? Very simple. To highlight this, okay, to highlight this and press alternate F1. Okay, what I'm trying to say is, in your keyboard, there's a thing called F1. So you highlight this and press alternate F1. Okay, just give me a minute. Okay, when you have this alternate F1, okay, can you see this graph over here? Okay, this is the graph. So tapi I nak ubahkan dia sebab they have this quarter and so on. So I just I select the data, okay, edit. Okay, what I do is I just type this quarter 4, okay. So I press OK. So now you have quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, quarter 4. So what I do is I remove the grid line and I put data labels. Okay, so in this case, if you notice, okay, if just say maybe I nak press maybe Liverpool kan, okay, just say I do Liverpool, you notice kat sini pun berubah. Okay, maybe I want to do on Manchester United. You notice kat sini pun berubah. Okay, so this is how you do. You interlink it. Okay, maybe I show you another example, a simple example this time. Okay, what you can do is maybe you can go equal to this. Okay, sekarang ni kita tak menggunakan index match. Kita akan menggunakan dget formula. Okay, dget formula. Formula ni senang, but you have to listen carefully lah. Okay, so now when I press dget formula, the first thing they ask is database. So database ni apa? So database means merujuk kepada all this data over here. Okay, I have to press F4. Fill. Fill means I'm pressing this Q1 lah. Okay, dia punya column. And also criteria, I kena highlight football club and also Manchester United. I kena highlight dua-dua. Kenapa pula kena highlight dua-dua? Because the heading is football club and also this is the selection. So I kena highlight dua-dua. Okay, so now I press F4 and there you go. Okay, so now I press right. Okay, this is how it works. So contoh lah, I nak maybe Man City right now, Manchester City. So notice kat sini pun berubah. Okay, so what I do is maybe I just upkeep. Okay, just give me a minute. Okay, so again I say alternate F1. So bila I tekan alternate F1, notice we have a graph over here. So what I do is very simple. Okay, I have a graph. I just remove the grid line. Okay, I remove the grid line. I put data label, and that's how it goes. So sekiranya now, if just say I want to go to Liverpool, so there you go, dia berubah. Okay, so now maybe I add a new one which is ranking. Okay, I add a new one which is ranking. Okay, maybe I need to add this. Okay, yeah. Okay, maybe I go to dget formula. Okay, so again I repeat, I use equal dget formula. Okay, so database, I just highlight everything. This is the database. F4, then field. Field is the ranking, and then criteria, I highlight both. Okay, I highlight both, and then I tutup bracket. So it's number 2. Liverpool is number 2. Okay, so what I do is I go to insert. Okay, I go to insert. I go to this box. Okay lah, tak kisahlah mana-mana box. Okay, I just go here, right click, edit text. Okay, edit text. I go to equal sign. I put here. Okay, so sekarang ni macam tak kemas kan? So what I do, I change the format. Maybe I go to, okay, besarkan dia, right? Okay, maybe besarkan dia. Okay, and then maybe change this to, dark blue maybe. Dark blue. Outline pun tak nak. So I change this to maybe white color and then bold here. All right. So now if just say, okay, I want to know Manchester City. So you can know this is number 1, this is the graph. Just say I nak tahu Arsenal. So this is number 4 and this is how it works. So this is how you play with the data. Okay. So I have guided you on part 1. Now let's move to part 2.